Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside we nation, Nigeria. And just like usual, we don't come with breaking news. We don't come with updates, with reports we I go like share give the general public. And this informate my good people now about the things and things wey happen for inside Rivers State. And the cocoa be say, Governor Fubara of Rivers State don begin to express in doubts about the neutrality of the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC under the leadership of Professor Mahmood Yakubu. Now dey talk say the commission don fail to enforce constitutional provisions on political defections. Now dey yarn say INEC don fail to do the needful, and Sir Fubara constantly criticize INEC for selectively enforcing the constitutional requirements. And the constitution be say lawmakers wey comot body from the party wey dem bin plaster before they come become lawmakers, immediately dem comot, they are no longer elected. They don lose their seats as lawmakers be that. And normally as dem lose their seats, INEC suppose conduct by-elections to elect new lawmakers onto the Rivers State House of Assembly. And that's now why him wey be the Rivers State governor dey complain say INEC up till now never single conduct the by-elections after the 27 lawmakers led by Martin Amewule don comot for the People's Democratic Party, and automatically they don lose their seats. The Rivers State governor dey raise this concern as a special guest speaker at the 6th annual Freedom Online lecture wey dem tag Nigeria's socio-political challenges, whose fault, the leaders or the led. And this event dey happen for inside Lagos State Sheraton Hotel, and the thing take place on Thursday wey be the 27th day of February for inside this year 2025. Now normally my good people, the Rivers State governor is not happy about the development. Now why for inside this event he talk plenty things, and in the yarn am through his representative wey be the former Rivers State Deputy Governor Dele Ikuru. And according to how they talk take come aside from him mouth, he said the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC don fail to uphold the law concerning political defections. And according to the constitution, lawmakers wey defect from the party which platform they were elected should lose their seats automatically. But however, the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC has been very much selective in enforcing this rule, and it don begin to raise questions about their neutrality. When institutions now fail to do the needful, the rule of law is weakened and democracy now dey suffer. You know say the reason wetin make the Rivers State Governor Sir Fubara dey yarn all these levels na sake of the controversy on the status of the 27 lawmakers for inside Rivers State House of Assembly wey we don comot body from the People's Democratic Party go join the All Progressive Congress. And these 27 lawmakers so wey cross carpet, all of them dey loyal to the former governor of Rivers State wey now be the Minister of FCT, and that's Wike. And these men now, these 27 lawmakers, they announced their defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress for inside the year 2023. Sake of the ongoing political beef, the ongoing political quarter between the Rivers State Governor Sir Fubara and Wike wey be his predecessor. And this political crisis, so this political beef between these two men, it don kuku divide the Rivers State House of Assembly. Currently now 4 lawmakers now they support Sir Fubara wey be governor of the state, while the remaining 27 they support the former governor and Minister of FCT wey be Sir Wike. Now based on say these 27 lawmakers don announce their defection, they come jubilate that time, they wave APC flag. The faction wey dey support Sir Fubara come dey call on the Independent National Electoral Commission say oya make una come make una come replace these men wey be lawmakers, because they don defect from the People's Democratic Party, in which party they were elected. They don jump go the All Progressive Congress. So by constitution they don lose their seats, and the next thing for now to do now to just conduct election to replace them, make business dey go smoothly as usual. But the electoral body wey be INEC, they insist say based on say the matter dey court, they no fit interfere at all. They no fit do any kind of election. Meanwhile, also speaking at the event wey go down for inside Lagos, where the Rivers State governor called the chook mouth dey yarn all this level, so the RI0US of Yoruba land wey be Ibagani Adams, he now come dey sama demand. He now come dey yarn say make dem sharply remove the current chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, and that's now Mahmood Yakubu. Instead make dem remove am so that dis our nation Nigeria go achieve meaningful electoral reforms. And Sir Adams come still dey yarn say Oga Mahmood Yakubu wey be the current chairman of INEC, under im nose 2 general elections now has been met with irregularities and credibility concern. That is, the man don conduct 2 general elections, and those general elections wey im conduct so na so men dey complain say there were irregularities, there were things and that, the thing no make sense, mago e too much. Dis na why im dey yarn say if Oga Mahmood Yakubu continue to be chairman of INEC, if im continue to stay in office, e go only dey beneficial to politicians wey dey expect him to act in their favour during future elections. The man go continue to dey jeopardize free and fair election. He go continue to dey do things and things wey go favour im master. So like this now, they need a drastic approach to reform our electoral system. If they want credible elections for inside we nation Nigeria, men hands must be on deck. Countrymen must call for the immediate removal of the current chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, wey be Mahmood Yakubu. And he no believe am at all say anything good can come from him anymore, because the man has been compromised. And it is very much unprecedented in our history for an INEC chairman to conduct 3 presidential elections. That kind of level never happened before for our great nation Nigeria. But him now still remaining in office, there must be an ulterior motive. Maybe some dey believe say they go continue to dey use am to their advantage if he remain in office. Since they don't know him pin button, they go continue to dey press am anytime wey dem feel like, or anytime wey dem need something from am. Then Sir Adams come drop some kind questions wey many dey find interesting. He now come dey ask whether men dey try talk say no other qualified professor dey for inside this our great nation Nigeria to take up this role to become the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission. Abi na wetin? Say if you investigate this man now wey be Mahmood Yakubu, you go find out say the man now don accumulate enough wealth. Why country people dey complain about the electoral processes? So without a credible leader last for the Independent National Electoral Commission, make country people no dey expect credible elections, because the person wey dey up there, their chairman of the INEC himself, has been compromised, has been corrupted. So this my good people, na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow this informate be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news give your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside this our great nation. Me dey bring more news, me dey bring more updates for you my good people. Abeg try make you no go anywhere.